Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Militza and today, once again, I'm teaming up with Loreal Paris and I have the chance to present you a new beautiful and amazing product. We're talking about these new lipsticks I have just right here. These are the new color Rich Shine lipsticks and they're unique. There's a lot of colors, so let's get started with the review. I'm lucky enough to have 60 shades right here. So before I show you swatches of every single color, I really wanted to talk about the formula and the texture and everything because, at least for me, this is quite unique. So this is a lipstick, but at the same time it doesn't work as a lipstick. It's not a lip gloss either. It has this beautiful glossy finish, but it feels like a really moisturizing oil without being heavy. It feels almost like water on your lips in a really good and comfortable way, I would say. So yeah, I am going to show you my favorite one. It's just right here. As you can see, it does look as a lipstick, which makes it really easy to use, but at the same time it doesn't have the usual finish we have with lipsticks. So these are quite unique for that, but they are also unique because the color payoff for a gloss is incredible. It's not sticky, it's not heavy on the lips or anything like that, and I do think that this is probably my most beautiful discovery of the year because I was really into glosses lately, but we have to be honest, sometimes they are a little bit heavy to have on the whole day, and these remind me a little bit of the lip balms. They're really easy to apply and really gentle on the lips and look beautiful and leave you all day with a beautiful tint. And these are really pigmented. I wasn't expecting that from these soft formulas. I mean, they really look so creamy and they really look like balm, so you won't expect it to be that colorful, but then I'm going to swatch them and with one swipe, guys, you have the most beautiful coverage. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with these products, and the most beautiful part is that these are from L'Oreal, which means they're going to be affordable, they're going to be drugstore, and that's quite amazing. Another little detail that's making the whole difference with this collection is the packaging. I don't know you guys, but for me, these are so luxurious. They really look high-end, and even the formula and everything, the only other brands making this kind of beautiful formulas, really unique and everything, are really high-end and really expensive. And these are like so good and so inexpensive. I mean, when you discover this kind of products and when you're a beauty addict, this is the kind of stuff that can make you really happy. So I can't wait to show you every single shade. So this is what I'm wearing. It's called Luminous Coral and it's the perfect shade. Everyone can wear this color, and the formula again is the most comfortable formula I ever tried. I made my friends try them, I made my family try them, and I have to say you one thing, not one person told me they weren't obsessed with these. So here's how your lipstick is going to look before you apply it the first time. As you can see, it looks quite matte, but once you use it, it's going to be a lot more glossy. So let me swatch you just once. Tell the truth, you weren't expecting it to be that pigmented, because at least I wasn't expecting it at first, just because it's like a balm, but with such a beautiful payoff. I really wasn't expecting this. That is what makes it really comfortable to wear the whole day. We are also going to swatch them all on my lips later in the video, but I really want you to see how it works. So I have nothing on my lips, and in one swipe we are going to have such a beautiful shade, guys. Can you see this? Like, I love it. This color is still a nude. If you have dry lips, or if you really want to have that fresh and natural look all day or night, this is the perfect formula for you. I love these products. This one is one of the deepest shade. Then we have this purple one. This is like perfect for the season. This one is called Splendid Blackberry. And let me swatch it. Here we go. And let me show you on the lips. One swipe. And the formula, like, there is so much oil in this product. It's helping your lips being moisturized even once you take it off. I think that you can clearly see that when I applied, the oil is showing in a really good and beautiful way, and you look shiny the whole day. Again, if you apply a little bit more, it's going to be even more intense, but I mean, one swipe and you're really good to go. I love how it lasts a lot longer than any lip gloss usually would last during the day. And yeah, it's a lot more comfortable, it's not sticky. If I do this, or like you don't have any stickiness going on or anything like that, it's really comfortable, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed. And now, wish me luck, because I'm going to swatch every single shade, so let's get started.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
And that was it, my loves. I really hope you are going to enjoy this video and all the swatches. I really have to say one thing is that this is hands down the most comfortable lip products I ever tried. And you guys know that I try a lot of products all the time. I don't know, I feel fresh and glowy with this makeup. I think that these lips are really making a huge difference. They're chic, the collection is really beautiful, the packaging, but like clearly the product is great. And I really hope you are going to find your favorite shades in one of these. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and especially to subscribe and join my Militza squad. And I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in my next tutorial.